So you do it. Who are all getting it, do it. Otherwise, please watch here. Who are not getting, please watch here. I'll click on this field map. I'll click on the field map. Then I'll put the state name in the location area, and I'll put the purchase cost into the tooltip area. Purchase cost I'm putting into the tooltip area. So based on whatever I place, whenever I place the cursor on some state, it's showing what is the cost. Now based on this, I want to do some conditional formatting, which we know already. Wherever the sales is more, I want to give a green. If the sales or purchase is lesser, I want to put a red. Very lesser, maybe red, middle, maybe yellow. Select this map. Format your visual. Fill color. FX. Under this, let us go to gradient. I'll go to gradient. It's asking, do you want to give a color based on the state wise? No, I don't want to give a color based on state wise. I want to give a color based on the cost. If the cost is very low, I want to put a red. This we did it in the last session itself. Middle, yellow. Highest, green. This we already know. We did it many times in the last session also. Lowest is red, middle is yellow, and highest is green, based on the purchase cost. Okay. So my map color has changed. Based on it, I think Madhya Pradesh is having more purchase here, so they are in green. Maharashtra and everything shows here. But what is the purpose I have inserted this donut is? So I inserted a region-wise donut. Now let me go to a particular region. This is a north region. Just to click on that north region. Yes. The map automatically zooms and it shows only the north region data here. So I click on the central region. It shows the central region data. West region. So whatever the region you select, south region. Based on the region, it automatically shows me the map. This is one map. This is field map. I click outside to come out of this. One more map similar to this is available. Format your add data to your visual. Before the field map, there is one thing called as map. That map is bubble, circle. If the value is more, you will get a bigger circle. Value is lesser, smaller circle. Whichever you wish. I think most of the people will prefer field map. Even you can go for a bubble map also. This is a bubble map. It's a bubble. So if the value is more, you will get a green bubble, bigger one. The value is lesser, you will get a smaller bubble here. So whichever you wish. Either you can go for a bubble map or you can go for a field map. So this one is filled, that one is bubble.